Good day, sir. Today I will discuss building impermeability effects on the stability of the ships. Building refers to the flooding of a compartment caused by the damage to the ship's hull. When water enters the ship, it affects buoyancy and stability. Permeability refers to the amount of empty space inside a compartment that can be occupied by water. Space with more empty volume have higher permeability. Both building and permeability are important factors in ship stability and damage control. Effects of building on ship's stability. 1. Loss of buoyancy. When a compartment floods, the ship loses buoyancy. The ship sinks deeper into the water. 2. Increase in draft. Building increases the draft of the ship. The vessel becomes heavier due to flood water. 3. Lease or trim. Flooding on one side causes the ship to lease. Flooding forward or off chain stream. 4. Reduction of stability. Flood water creates free surface effect. Gym or metacentric height decreases. 5. Risk of capsizing. Severe flooding can cause loss of stability and capsizing. Effects of permeability. Meaning of permeability. Permeability is the percentage of space inside a compartment available for water. Example, machinery species lower permeability. Cargo holds higher permeability. Effects on stability. Higher stability allows more water to enter. More flooding means greater loss of buoyancy and stability. Lower permeability reduces floodwater volume. Understanding building and permeability helps improve ship designs, increase damage survivability, prevent sinking and capsizing, ensure maritime safety. Bulging impermeability greatly affects ship stability. Flooding reduces buoyancy and stability, while permeability determines how much water can enter a compartment. Proper ship should be division and damage control are essential to maintain safety at sea.